Alright, we're going to be unboxing the EOS R6 Mark III. Just came in from pre-order. As you can see. Let's get into it. It is brand new. It is the newest model. It has not been opened yet. Alright, so we got a manual here. A lot of languages. And we got a connection flyer. This is to be to connect our camera to our phone. And a warranty sheet. It does come with the standard Canon strap. As all the Canon cameras do. This here, LCE6, this will be the battery charger. Battery slides in, fold out power connection, standard Edison, plugs into your wall. And this will be the LPE6P, which will be the battery pack for the unit. Comes a little protector on there. Standard Canon battery for a bunch of their models now, as I believe. Cardboard insert. Pops out. And this is a body only package. We did not buy any lenses with this kit. This comes wrapped up nice. And there is the R6 Mark III with the cover for the body. Nice layout, similar to all the other cameras. A few modifications because it is brand new. New model, that is. Or I guess technically a new version of the same model. EOS R6 Mark III.